guys, today we're going to be installing a Verus rear diffuser on my ND Miata. Before we get started, I just wanted to quickly note that I am running the Tome exhaust and this is the club package of the Miata. So first we're going to want to remove the bottom screw of the sway bar, and then we're going to want to loosen the top screw of the sway bar as well. Next we're going to install the bracket that came with the kit, and then we're going to fully tighten the top screw while keeping the bottom screw kind of loose so we can just wiggle it around and fit it to whatever we have to do. Now we're just going to do the same on the other side. Here you can see a little clip of what it's going to look like later on once the part is installed. As you can see, the part of the diffuser is going to be attached directly to the metal bracket that came with the kit. So again, we're just going to tighten it up and keep the bottom screw kind of loose just so we can adjust the fitment as needed. Alright, so next we're going to want to remove the two screws right behind the rear wheels. As you can see in this little clip, they're going to also help hold the diffuser in place. Here's the little pieces that we have to remove after removing the screws. Alright, so lastly we're going to go to the rear. So lastly, we're going to have to install two more brackets that come with the kit. For this, we're going to want to make sure that the 90-degree angle is at the bottom and the one that's like around 45 degrees is at the top. As you can see right here, this is what it's supposed to look like when it's all done. And again, you can keep it a little loose just so you can adjust the fitment later on as needed. Now, just to answer some questions you might have about the install. In general, it's pretty easy, but it all depends on what kind of exhaust you're running. The Tome exhaust is kind of big, and it's kind of hard to get the fitment right. As you can see, unfortunately, I did have to have the exhaust touch the plastic, which is not great, but oh well, I don't really mind too much. You might also be wondering if I notice a big difference driving the car now. Honestly, when it comes to aero parts, you're gonna have to run more than just one singular part. Like for example, you would probably have to run side skirts, a front splitter, and under panels so you can really feel the difference. Truthfully, I don't really feel the difference at all, but I do like the look of it, and that's honestly the main part why I got it. Here you can see me just try to attach the diffuser to the brackets. Unfortunately, my camera is just about to die, but after messing around with the brackets a little bit and removing the club rear lip, I was able to get it all fitted up and it looks pretty good to me. I hope this video was helpful at all. If you liked it, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no, man.